Welcome to Haulfryn Coed Helen, a tranquil family holiday park nested between the mountains of Snowdonia and the Menai Straits. A stone's throw away you'll find the royal town of Caernarfon, with an array of shops, restaurants and cafes. Caernarfon Castle dominates the town, which overlooks the harbour and boats sailing down the Menai Straits. The Royal Caernarfon 18-hole golf course is a 2-minute drive away, which caters for beginners and experienced players. The Strait is also a popular fishing area. Coed Helen's amenities are aimed at the young and the older generation alike. Enjoy a swim in the heated swimming pool, or just relax and soak up the sun on the lounges that surround it. Take a leisurely walk or enjoy a drink or family meal on the terrace at Paddy's Bar, where there is always a warm welcome. And here are play areas around the park for children to use up their energy before settling down for the night. This is a typical luxurious home-from-home lodge for sale, with wonderful views towards Anglesey. Relax as the sun sets on your veranda or enjoy a barbecue with friends. The park has a mix of lodges and static holiday homes throughout. Buying a holiday home at Coed Helen couldn't be simpler, with experienced staff to talk you through every step. They will explain to you the funding options in place to make the transaction as smooth as possible. The park is a haven for children, where they can play and ride bikes in safety. Whatever you're looking for in a holiday home, be sure to view the various options at Coed Helen, where affability is a top priority. Call 01286 672 852 to request more information.